Alright, we're at Dick's Sporting Goods in West County Mall.
West County Mall, and they have
A Schindler!
this right here, call it.
Let's see how lovely it is. Let's see if it still is.
I remember this used to be low pitched.
It used, yeah, it
All
used
right,
to be.
let's listen to it.
This isn't
Look
a
out the
3.
window.
This isn't 321. Alright, listen.
Here we go. Takes a while to level. Right, sent down to 1. You know, door close does not work on a Schindler, but I rode this thing when I first opened. I swear this thing was low pitched. I think this is in ground. Watch it level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 seconds.
Level's quicker than I remember before. Send it up to 2.
Are they coming in? They're trying to go down.
Yeah, and here we go up. Now watch this. Runs pretty good, but takes a good while to level. I'm pretty sure this is in ground, but I'm not sure. We'll look when we get out. Send it down to 1. I don't remember. It's been so long since I've been on this elevator. So what do you think of this, Jason?
It's better than it used to be. This thing was pretty rough for a while.
This is a pretty rough elevator.
Yeah.
Here we're down at 1. Now let's send it up and get off. And try to get a look at it going up if they don't tell me not to take photos here. But yeah, let me see here. This elevator. Let me get around.
Schindler.
I remember if this was there. We can see the elevator right here. There it is. I want to see if this was in ground.
There's a music here too, so we're gonna talk over that. But here it goes. There it is.
It is holeless.
Holeless hydro. It's a holeless hydraulic right there. There's
What do you
the.
think about this, Jason?
It's a nice elevator.
Pretty cool. That'll
That'd
be
be
it.
it.